are the founders of Craft and Foster, a 5-year-old candle company that started by accident in San Diego. The whole idea was self-care for my wife. She's a mother of 4 and a military veteran, so she was trying to find some self-care and some creative space. She found that in a space just like this.
You know, we're gonna talk about fragrance and how the different scents meld well together. We're gonna talk about soy wax and why we use it, wicks and wick sizes, and how to fill pretty much any vessel. And by the end of it, you're gonna be a pro. We're gonna have a great time.